Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and I'm going to show off this 1985 Camaro IROC Z. This is a Hot Wheels car. This one would have came out in 2011. They did a lot of the detailing on it. Pretty cool little car, but as you can see, they kind of missed it a little bit, but I'm going to focus on the front end. You can see I've already done the headlights, and I've put in the chrome for the turn signals. But we're going to get rid of these ugly wheels. We're going to go with some Johnny Lightning wheels and make this car look a little bit better. So let's get it open. So like I always do, I start out with the small drill bit, drill down the post, if I go the right way with the drill. Go slow, go easy. Don't have to go fast, because going fast you could actually go through. I fortunately have not gone through yet, so I would knock on wood, but this desk is metal. But this makes it a little bit easier to get the heads off of these posts here, rivets, whatever you want to call it. And yes, it's always good to have two different drills, because then you don't have to swap out bits all the time. I'm not a construction person, but I learned it doing some construction. It's always easier, it's faster. There we go. I think that might do it. Let's see here. Let's get her popped open, hopefully. There's front. Yeah, the back's not one to give. Okay, a little more drilling. There we go. Hopefully that'll do it. Ow. There we go. Get that out of the way. And for you guys that have not seen the inside of one of these, I did clean it up a little bit before we got going. There's the inside. I'll brush some of the dust out of it. They made a pretty accurate dashboard. That's a flat 3rd gen dashboard, that's for sure. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this back up on there. As you can see, that's the movers that's on the hood on the IROC. But let's pop. Let's pop these out of here. And throw them on the floor. That little Ford I just threw the wheels in, that's an upcoming project you guys need to stay tuned for. You might just like that one. Now, let's see if we can just press these right back in. Let me open this up just a little bit. All right. One more time. helps. These little tabs can be pushed back down if you're careful getting them out of there to begin with. And it's got little tabs on it. It's got pieces on the interior that'll hold it in place, but it's always good to have it down there too. So let's stick this back on here and see if this snaps back in. There we go. May not have to use any glue or anything. Alright, it rolls. Alright. What do you think, guys? Looks a lot better than them ugly wheels. Boy, does it look a lot better than them ugly wheels. These wheels came off of one of the earlier Starsky and Hutch cars. This one's a little beat up. It's getting ready to get redone, and it will get a set of slots put on it. I might do a little modifying, might get a little bit deeper for the back or something, but that's what's going to be done there. This is a Johnny Lightning's Starsky and Hutch Torino. Nice thing about those, they have metal bases. And that's what the bottom of the Starsky and Hutch. This one says 1998. Not sure what this other one says. And this one says 98 too. So, but I know I bought this one back here way after I bought this one. I bought this one. This was one of the first ones they put out. You can even tell the difference with the paint. So, okay, so what I want to show you is, if I can get this open, let me shake it up a little bit, and I may have to pull out the pliers. A lot of times you're stuck with these where they don't want to open. So put pliers on, give them a little twist, they'll open. Sorry about my hand there, it's in the way, I know. Smallest brush you can find. This is a Gadzooks Gaming. I think this is 010, I think. I've done wiped the numbers off of it, but you just build this up best you can. Dab it in there. Don't get too much, otherwise you'll have it all over the place. And you just fill it in. And because if you leave it in yellow without the Molotov pen doing the work for you, it's not going to show up as well. It's going to be very light. There you go. And if you get a little bit outside the line, you can take and just wipe it right off. You can get inside the side there a little bit. Just put some more in. No big deal. Easy to do. I get these little brushes. There we go. Moving. Close this back up, and this is the tester's turn signal amber. I guess that's what I put on the label too. Put it on there so this way it's a little bit easier to see. You can get this in the car customizing kit, where you get You get silver, you get flat black, you get stoplight red, flat white, a couple other colors, but basically that's what you end up with. Let me clean this brush out real quick. Put my hand in front of the car so you can't see it. Yeah, I know, I'm horrible. I just want to make sure I get this brush clean. I've had it this long. I've kept it in one piece. I want to keep it in one piece. Still be able to use it. Anyways, now that is a good looking 80s Camaro IROC Z. That is just one good looking car now. It rolls. Yeah, it's a hot little car, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you don't like it, you know what to do. And I will catch you guys on the next video. I wanted the rest of you to know, the subscribers, non-subscribers, hey, I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much for watching the video. We'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks.